Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this bed in 3D Max. Let's start with the headboard. I will use first a box, and this box will be 125, 210. The length segments here, I will press here F4 so you can see the edges. I need it to be 4 by 6 and the height will be 3. Okay. Now as in the picture, I have here some curved corners with a groove. So I will add first edit poly and I will select this outer edges, double click, double click, double click. And now I will go to the side. Here I will chamfer 3 cm. And now the segments 0. I will make here a small groove. So I will select one edge and another and then click on ring. Once all the edges here are being selected, I will click connect. This edge, the new edge that I created here, I will extrude it inward. I will extrude -1 and I will make it 0.5 like this. Now I will add turbo smooth. I will increase iteration. So this is my edge. Now I will go to the front view and I will start with this flat face. So I will go to edit poly and close turbo smooth. Here I need to select this vertex that I will make the button. So I will click on back face. Now back face help me to select something in the front, but on the back it will not be selected. So I will go back to the front face. Now I need to chamfer. I need to chamfer this vertex, okay, and use the depth as -0.5. So I will have a circular shape. Now I will give the size for this chamfered vertex to be 2. Now I need to move them inward. So I will select these polygons over here for one, and I will select the other by the use of similar selection. This is one area. Now I will go to modeling, modify, similar. Now all these polygons are being selected. I will use here bevel to extrude them downward, -1. Now the outline will be -0.5, like this. Now I will show you the side view. This is my place of the buttons. Now to secure these corners, from when I added turbo smooth, I will just extrude them a little bit to the back, like this. Now I will turn on turbo smooth. Now I will go to the front. These dots over here, I will detach a copy of it. I will go to edit geometry and detach as a clone. Here, this new copy that I'm using, which is this one, okay. Here, these copies I will use for the buttons, okay, and I will show you later on how to give them some depth and shape. Now I will unhide all, okay, and take only the box. Here, this face I need to bring them upward, okay, and have one groove going along these buttons. So first I will select these edges with double click. This one I need to extrude them to have a small groove between these buttons, but I don't need this groove to go along the back side, to the back side. I need it only to this face. So I need to deselect these edges using Alt. Okay. So I will use Alt to deselect these areas. Okay. Now I'll just zoom in because I think there is many still unselected. Okay. and move it a little bit to the side, so I make sure that these, the one that I extruded, usually they have more depth, so I need also to deselect them with Alt. Okay. Now I need to check the back side. Okay, everything is good. Now to the front face, I need to extrude them very small amount, minus 0.3, and the depth 0.3, like this. I'll show you now. This is the effect here. Turbo smooth on, like this. Now I need to pop these polygons upward. So I'll go back to this turbo smooth and I will close it. Now I need to make each polygon divided into 4 pieces, so I can extrude this middle vertex. I will use this selection of the edges like this. I will press connect. This loop over here, it's a little bit not straight, so I will go to edit geometry and make it a planar in X. Also, this one here, double click and then planar in X. Now I will go and select the other edges, edit edges, and click connect. Now I will double click here and make planar, go to edit geometry, make planar in Y, double click, make planar in Y. Now I will need to raise this face in 2 steps. Step number 1, I will take these X shape edges upward, and step 2, I will move this vertex, the inner vertex, to have more shape popping up. So I will select here this 4 edges and this one as well. Okay, I will try to select one at the corner and some on the middle, and then I will use again modeling, modify, similar. Now I can go to the left side and move them in the x-axis. Okay, 2 to 3 centimeters, not more than that. Okay, and I will show you the result. This is the X I am moving upward. Now I will go again to the front view and turn turbo smooth. It looks good, but I need now to move this middle vertex to give it more curved shape. I'll close turbo smooth, and now I will select this vertex over here in the middle. I'll go to the left view so you can see the result, and I will move them as well 2 centimeters to the front. Now I will show you, this is the vertex I'm moving. Now I will turn on turbo smooth. I'll go to the front view. This is my headboard. Now what about the buttons? Unhide all, and I will select these buttons over here. I will change as well the color so you can see it better. Okay. Now I will need to move them upward in the z-axis 0.5, like this. Now I will isolate this selection. Okay. Now I'm going to give some thickness for these elements by using the shell modifier. Shell modifier will be applied to all the elements I have, and now I will give them amount 1, outer amount 1. Now if I want this to become rounded, I will give it a turbo smooth. Also turbo smooth will be applied here to all the objects, but I need to make this front face curved. So what I will do here, I will go back to edit polygons over here, the middle polygons. I need to select it for all the other polygons, all other elements. So I will go to modeling, modify similar. Now once they are all selected, I will first try to scale this down a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to move them upward, okay, in the Z axis and the Y axis, like this. Okay, now I will turn again on the shelf and turbo smooth. Now this looks better, size and the shape looks better, and I will unhide all. If you need to push them again downward, no problem. I need to take them in the y-axis. Okay. 0.3. Now this is my headboard, and now I am going to start with the bed box. Top view, I will draw here a box, and this box will be 210 by 210 by 30. Now I will isolate it, add edit poly. Here I need to do these 4 sides, so the mattress will go inside this box. So I will select first this polygon and this polygon, and I will make an inset for the edges. I will make it inset amount 5. Now I need to bridge. Now I have the 4 corners, but I need now to have a groove over here for all the 4 corners. So first I need to double click this loop, and then you press ring. Now all of them are being selected. I need to click on chamfer. Now here the chamfer will not be big, it will be only 1 cm. Now I need to select this inner loop for all the 4 corners and extrude them inward. Okay, now I will extrude. I will make it -1 and then the gap 0.5, like this. Now to smooth all these corners here and also at the bottom, I need to add turbo smooth. So now these corners here are protected by the chamfer. If I added turbo smooth now, right away, it will look good. But here, the upper edge are becoming very thin. So I need just to add here 1 loop. I will press Alt plus number 1, and I will add 1 loop in the middle, and I will show you the effect now. Now this is the effect with 1 loop in the middle. It looks pretty good. I need to do the same thing for the bottom part. Here, this is the effect without a loop. It's very thin. And now I will add Alt plus number 1 to the bottom part, and I will show you now with turbo smooth. So that looks good. Now I will go to the top part and hide all. Go to the front to fix this box. I will move it all the way down, okay? And I will just move it upward 2 cm. Now I will move it in the x-axis and to the middle of this headboard, like this. And that is the bed after I added the materials, mattress and pillows.